morning, students. Welcome to the GK class. Students, open your book GK Planet. Today we are going to start with lesson number 35, that is bookworm, on the page number 51. Students, bookworm means a person who enjoys reading. Books are known to be the best friend of a person. Reading of books is a very good habit. Reading is important because it is good for your overall well-being. Once you start reading, you experience a whole new world. Reading books is also a way to relax and reduce stress. Good books always guide you to the correct path in life. It helps you to improve your vocabulary and develop your communication skills. It increases your knowledge. It is very important to develop a good reading habit. Now students, we will start with the exercise part. So put your pencil here. Look at the characters of various children books. Can you identify the names of the books to which these characters belong? One has been done for you. Now in this exercise, the characters of various children books are given. We have to identify the names of the books to which these characters belong and match the names with the characters. But students, before starting with this exercise, we will discuss these books one by one. Number 1 is Lord of the Rings. It is a children's book. The book is about the war of the people of Middle East against a dark lord, Lord of the Rings. The main character of this book is Gandalf. Number 2 is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It is a children's book. The book is about the adventures of young Charlie inside the chocolate factory of Willy Wonka. The main character of this book is Willy Wonka. Number 3 is Alice Adventures in Wonderland. It is a children's book. It is a story about a young girl named Alice who falls through a rabbit hole into a fantasy world. The main character of this book is Alice. Number 4 is The Chronicles of Narnia. It is a series of fantasy novels. The series is about the kingdom of Narnia, a fantasy world of magic, beasts, and talking animals. It narrates the adventures of various children who play central roles in the unfolding history of Narnia world. The main character of this book is Lion Aslan. The last one is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It is a fantasy novel. The book is about the Harry Potter, a young wizard who discovers his magical heritage on his 11th birthday. He faces a comeback by the dark wizard Lord Voldemort. The main character of this book is Harry Potter. Now students, as we have discussed about the children books and their main characters, now let's have a recall. Number 1 is Lord of the Rings. The main character is Gandalf. Number 2 is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The main character is Willy Wonka. Number 3 is Alice Adventures in Wonderland. The main character is Alice. Number 4 is The Chronicles of Narnia. The main character is Lion Aslan. And the last one is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. The main character is Harry Potter. Now students, as we have discussed and recalled about the children books and their main characters, now you have to complete this exercise, revise this page and do the worksheet given in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.